Singh on extreme left. He's SP PHQ and looking after the charge of OSD. He has recently joined the PHQ and he's my link officer. So whenever I will be on leave or not available, he will act as a PRO. And in the center we have Sri Jimmy Charamsar IPS. He is SP Capital Complex. So friends, today's briefing is about the security arrangement for the APPSC prelims examination, which is to be conducted on 1st November 2020, that is on Sunday. So friends, as you are aware that APPSC examination is the most prestigious examination for the Arunachal Pradesh. It is to select the future leader and future administrator who will take the Arunachal Pradesh on the path of development and new heights. So in this series, examination is to be held on 1st November 2020. These centers are located in the 15 districts. So today, to review the security arrangement of the security to be provided to examination centers in the 15 districts, a video conference has been organized from this conference hall. The video conference was chaired by Sri R.P. Upadhyay, IPS, Honorable DGP Arunachal Pradesh. Along with him, IGP Law and Order Sri Chuku Appa Sir IPS, he was also there. This video conference was also attended by two representatives from Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission, Major General Sri Ganesh Bisht, retired, and Sri A.R. Talwade, IAS, Secretary APPSC. So the purpose of joint video conference was to clear any doubt which district units are having or any kind of doubts which may arise how to conduct the examination. So there are a total of 127 centers in the 15 districts and total of 26,459 applicants has applied for the exam. In the video conference, concerned SPs were asked to give a presentation of their security arrangement, security plan for the examination. The same security plan was reviewed by the esteemed member present here, and necessary directions were passed on to the respective districts as per the requirement of them or as per the things which were noticed by the senior officer. So overall in Arunachal Pradesh there is a robust deployment we are doing for this examination. Our primary motto is that this examination should be conducted peacefully and without any flaw. Total of more than 16 company of force has been deployed, that is more than 1,000 personnels. These deployment has been made for examination centers, for strong rooms, for the escort parties, and for the flying squad or arrest teams which are being made, for PSOs which are being provided to the examination coordinators, civil magistrate, executive magistrate, and each district SP is supervising the arrangement on the ground. Strong room, as you are aware, these are the places where the question paper and answer paper will be stored. So there are total of 17 strong rooms in the state, and more than 150 personnel have been deployed round the clock for the security of the strong room. One DYSP is directly doing the supervision for the security of the strong room. Apart from that, there are escort teams. The purpose of escort team is to escort the vehicles which are carrying the question papers from a strong room to the examination center, and after the examination, answer paper from examination center to the strong room, and finally those answer paper from the concerned district to the APPSC office here in Itanagar. So these escort vehicle, there is one IC, and that IC is minimum of the rank of sub-inspectors. Apart from that, there are total of 24 flying squads in the state, and flying squads, the purpose is they will be kind of there moving from one center to the other center, and in case of any contingency arises, so they will respond on the need to basis. Apart from that, as you are aware that district administration of the 15 districts, they have suspended the mobile internet service during the period of examination only. So different district has issued their different orders. Apart from that, there are detailed guidelines which are annexed in Annexure 1. So that Annexure 1 is, it is with the whoever candidates are appearing, whenever they will download their admit card, that guidelines will be downloaded along with the admit card. So those guidelines were issued by APPSC to the candidates. So I will request all the candidates to go through these guidelines and follow it in letter and spirit. Regarding the security guidelines which we want to issue or we want to request to the candidates, there are, first thing is that timings are very important. Exam will start from 9 a.m. and in this time of COVID, certain COVID SOPs is to be followed. So it is requested that candidates should reach exam well in advance. So APPSC says that examination center will be open 3.5 hours before the actual starting of examination. So I request them that they should reach well in advance. Secondly, about the traffic thing and overcrowding of vehicle around the examination center, we have made the deployment at the strategic point for the smooth flow of traffic. But here we want to request friends and family members, whoever are accompanying the candidate, to drop them. They should drop the candidate near the examination center, and thereafter they should move away from there. They should not crowd the area around the examination centers. Most of these examination centers are situated in the town area or the crowded place. The situation is like this in Itanagar because there are 53 examination centers. Few examination centers are in close vicinity. So if this overcrowding will happen, then it is against that SOP of COVID also, and it will impact the movement of traffic also. Regarding the mobile internet service, I have already told. Gadgets, it is already been issued by the APPSC that no any kind of gadget is allowed to be taken inside the examination hall. So they should not bring any gadget. I will request they should not bring even the mobile, because anyhow mobile internet will be switched off. We can't say that whether all the centers will have arrangement for the safekeeping of mobiles or not. So it is requested as far as possible avoid even mobile also. And use of unfair means, there is means this goes without saying that very strict action will be taken if anyone is found to be using any unfair means. Commission has their own security arrangement to check the genuineness of a candidate. So it is humbly requested and take it as warning that any use of unfair means will not be tolerated. So this is from my side, and now I will request SP Capital sir, Jimmy sir, please tell something about if you want to give any instruction to the candidate.
Okay. Good evening to all. Thank you, Hemant, for giving me this opportunity, and welcome to Rohit to Arunachal. APPSC exam is the most prestigious exam of Arunachal Pradesh. So at the very outset, I would like to wish all the aspirants the best for the examination. In terms of police preparation, especially in Capital Complex, like Hemant has already mentioned, we have 53 centers and a total of around 12,335 candidates are slated to go through the exam. So for this purpose, we have already made security arrangements. I would like to express my gratitude and gratitude for the support that PHQ, especially DGP sir, IGPs and other ranking officers, they have been providing with extra force and also guidance in terms of how to make the arrangements properly. I'm very grateful for that. From our side, especially to the aspirants who are coming for the exams, I would like to request a couple of things which are very important. First, Like Hemant has already mentioned, I would like to request you that you go through the
Bankrate.com. A late payment is an amount of money a borrower sends to a lender or
Right.
service provider that
I can't say, okay. Sorry. You will edit it out, right? Okay. Yeah. So I have some requests to make. So you may kindly take it into consideration. Firstly, please go through the do's and don'ts which have been given to you, so that there are no confusions. What is allowed inside the examination hall and what is not. Please go through it properly, so that at the end, at the right moment, you don't face any problem. Secondly, I'd like to request you that you should take ample time in coming out of your home and to reach the examination center, so that at the last moment there is no rush. Very specific points, like already mentioned, parking near the examination hall should be avoided to avoid the crowd which will be created. Secondly, when you come, please line up with social distancing, after maintaining proper COVID related social distancing and all the precautions like mask and hand sanitizer if you want to carry, and line up in front of the gate. The gates will be closed 10 minutes before the exam time, which means 8:50 a.m. and 12:50 p.m. So for this purpose, please come in on time, so that we can go through easily. And one difficulty which we are facing in Itanagar is basically the Chandan Nagar bridge, which has basically become only single lane. So due to this, there is lots of traffic. So we have already made our own arrangements, and we will be deploying extra force at that point on the day. However, due to this, I request that you should come with ample time again, so that you can cross over the traffic choke point on time. Especially those candidates who are going from main Itanagar city towards centers in Chimpu and Julang. For example, KV in Chimpu, Don Bosco College in Julang, these centers and other centers like DPS. So you can go, please come on time. And those candidates who are staying on this side of Chandanagar Bridge, Ganga Basti and Chimpu and other areas, they are also requested that you should come with sufficient time, so that this doesn't become a hindrance in your exam center. So finally, again, I'd like to wish all the candidates the very best for your exam. Thank you.
So I have a question. Since the police department is about to deploy 100,
Any input about any impediment, we are taking extra precaution because of the COVID pandemic, because we cannot allow overcrowding to happen during the examination and before while they are entering. So it is only because of precautionary measure, and since it is very prestigious examination, so we don't want to be on the wrong side of it. Thank you.
so sir, earlier also APCS has been made with a controversy in conduction of examination. So are your department is going to deploy the bailiff law officer inside the examination hall or just outside?
Okay, very good question. So our purpose as far as police department is concerned, our area or role of responsibility is to provide security to the material which is being used in examination, to the personnel who are deployed in examination, and to create a right atmosphere so that candidates who are appearing for the examination, they should not face any hindrance like the road traffic or any kind of other hindrance. What is to be done inside the examination hall, it will be done under the guidance and under the leadership of examination coordinator and exam superintendent. We are not allowed to move inside the examination room, the rooms where students are writing the exam. If there is some untoward incident or there is any doubt that any candidate is involved in any malpractice, and when the superintendent, examination superintendent, center superintendent will request us, then only we will move inside the room. Otherwise, we have to provide the perimeter security, and there should not be any hindrance to the examination from outside.
Tommy Sydney Polytechnic College, Passar. Direct or APJEE. Admissions for 3 years Diploma Engineering in Civil, EEE and CSE. Scholarship benefits from government. Campus interview in selected departments by South Indian Management.